Lawmakers added their voice to growing calls for the suspended Makati City Mayor to follow the rule of law. Among them were Caloocan City Congressman Edgardo Erice and Akbayan Party List Solon Barry Gutierrez. More from Freddy Abando.
There is no stopping Caloocan City Congressman Edgardo Erice from sustaining his personal attack on Vice President Jojo Marbinay and his family. Erice called on the Vice President's son, Makati Mayor Junjun Binay, to respect the suspension order issued by the Ombudsman in connection with the charges of corruption for the construction of the Makati Science High School. It was the second suspension order. Binay got a reprieve from the first suspension order from the Court of Appeals. The Vice President and son Junjun has defied the suspension order. Supporters barricaded the Makati City Hall to prevent the entry of the Vice Mayor, who was sworn to take over the Makati Mayor pending the resolution of this case. Erice's stand against the Binays was echoed by Akbayan Party List Congressman Barry Gutierrez.
Doon natin nakikita yung immunity ng mga political dynasties. Akala nila they own City Hall. So, ayaw nilang sundin yung proseso ng batas. This is a legal order by the Office of the Ombudsman. Si Justice Morales, hindi naman natin ma-question ang integrity. Dapat sundin ito. They're not the gifts of God to the people of Makati. There are other people who can manage Makati other than them. So, palagay ko, may utos sa hukuman, di dapat tumabi muna si Mayor Junjun. Kung sa tingin niya, nalabag yung karapatan niya, di maghain siya ng reklamo sa korte, pero na yung proseso ng batas ay maisakatuparan.
Erice dared the Vice President and his family to follow the rule of law by openly answering the charges which are also under investigation before the Senate. Erice said it's so unfair for Binay to claim the Liberal Party has plotted a campaign to destroy his reputation, most especially his bid for the presidency.
Nasanay sila na walang sumisita sa kanila dati. Pero ngayon, sa Administrasyong Aquino, tuwid na daan, lahat open . Whether you're Liberal Party, whether you're from UNA, whether you belong to a political dynasty, not subjected ka sa scrutiny. Very transparent yung gobyerno na ito.
Yung recourse ay tanggapin niya, tapos maksampa siya ng kaso sa korte. Ngayon, kung sa dulo, sasabihin ng korte, invalid yan, o tama yung posisyon nyo, di tsaka tayo magkakaroon ng pagkaka-reverse nung order. Pero bilang isang public official, lahat kaming dalawa dito, parehong public official, isang unang-una mong gagawin bago ka mag-assume sa office, ikaw ay susumpa. Isa sa mga susumpaan mo ay ikaw ay susumpa na susunod ka sa batas. Gagalangin mo ang konstitusyon. Gagalangin mo ang duly constituted
In the meantime, Speaker Feliciano Belmonte dismissed claims of the Binays and their supporters that the President is behind the suspension order of the Makati Mayor. Belmonte cited Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales for her independence and track record of fairness for all. For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.